welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna do a fun project with soap and pepper. What you'll need is a glass of water, soap liquid, pepper, a Q-tip, and a ceramic plate. Pour some water onto a plate and sprinkle some pepper onto the surface of the water. Dip a Q-tip into the dish soap and place the Q-tip in the center of the plate into the water. Watch as the pepper quickly scatters to the edges of the water on the plate. Well, how does this experiment work? When you sprinkled the pepper on the water, most of it stayed floating at the surface of the water. This is because the pepper flakes are so light that the surface tension of the water keeps them floating on top. However, when you add a little dish soap, the surface tension of the water is disturbed. The water molecules move away from the soap, taking the pepper with them. Don't forget to like this video and do subscribe for more videos. Thank you.